What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today we are at youth right now. Okay, so story time. Quick story time in the beginning of this vlog. We apologize for just being MIA on this channel. You know, we've been so busy. The main reason why we haven't vlogged or posted anything is because our laptop just stopped working. Like the app that we're using to like do all of our work on, it wasn't working, so we had to call Apple to try and fix it, and they didn't even know how to fix it. And then yeah, so hopefully it's running now. They've done something to our laptop. I don't know what, because he wasn't even me, it was me. It's so weird. But yeah, anyways, we apologize. We're so sorry. But another story time. Tuxx went to New Zealand, as if you follow us on Instagram, you would know this. Tuxx went to New Zealand. Unfortunately, our last vlog, you did see that his friend was really ill, and on Good Friday, Tuxx got the bad news that unfortunately his friend passed away. So rest in peace to Daniel.
Yeah, I don't know, I think I'll mention some what I did get in New Zealand sometime in a separate vlog maybe, but we're here to tell you that we're back, family.
But we're back for good now, so we're going to be uploading this. You'll be seeing this today on Saturday. So today on Friday we have youth as usual, and we're here today because this week is Mother's Day and we're making ulalules. So if you don't know what ulalules are, make sure you go back and check out the graduation, Chris's graduation, where we did make ulalules. But our youth is making ulalules for our mothers tonight, and we're just fellowshipping. Not everyone made it tonight. It's basically just the committees and the COCs and Tina, and the rest are probably busy at work, or it's probably just too cold because it really is really cold. But yeah, we hope you enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned and make sure you like this vlog and comment down below. We missed you. We love you.
We love you, family. Let's go.
Right now we have on our ribbon station Sister Olivia COC.
Boom.
We have Unasa Bati here.
Boom.
And we have Willie Unasa.
Bang. Also, family, comment down below. Happy birthday, Via.
And these lollies are aiming for Harpoon.
Yay! Shout out to Harpoon, family. Finished product. Yes. So we're gonna get stuck in and we'll show you guys the end product.
to you, to the TNS family, and my husband. I love you so much. Thank you, God. I can't breathe on this. Thank you.
Looks legit. Looks legit. Guys, if you need a stand for a frame, just call Will and Tony. AOG. AOG's the way.
That looks so good. And we were gonna spend $60 to hire.
Did you hear that, guys? $60 to hire.
What's up, TNS family? So it is a Saturday. Obviously we didn't get to vlog yesterday because we ended up fixing up everything that needed to be fixed, finished all of our lolly necklaces, and then we went home at 1:30, but I didn't get home till 2. So honey,
So, we are here at CHINABAR. And we are getting ready to have dinner with all the other mother and fathers from church.
yeah, so the mother's ministry and the father's ministry. Mum, take a seat here. Oh, do you see that? Okay, here you go. Hurry up. So we're here with the mother's ministry and the father's, and of course this girl. Why do we always match? We're both wearing khaki.
Yes, girl.
Oh, you're cute. And yeah, so we're here at CHINABAR. I'm so excited to eat, and shout out to my sister who did my. Oh yes. Hi. Hey. Who's mom? Is mum here? Yeah, she's over there. So we're about to eat. I can't show you the food because I haven't asked them if. Hey, happy Mother's Day. Yeah. I haven't. Oh, Brother Charles are here. I haven't asked if we could vlog here, but. Okay fam, so I've already had my first plate. Rate your food.
To 8.
8?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, I rated like a 7 maybe. What? Okay, you rated it down 6.
5.
What was it? Oh, it was a big one. What do you rate your food? It's an 8. 8? What do you rate your food, Bron? I think I'm a 5. Wow. I love my seafood. Wait. Charles, what do you rate it? What do you rate? Is it on here?
Give it a
4. Willie? 6. I rate it a 7. Like, it's amazing, but something's missing. It's probably the coconut. Garo and Sabasu is missing. Okay, we're going for round 2. This is Kathy's round 3. No, round 2. So we've discovered these ice creams here at CHINABAR. How many have we had? We've had 3. We've had 3 of these coffee. Show the packet, sis.
Delicious.
It's so good and it's made in Australia. So please comment down below if you know where we can buy these. Because we've only found them here at CHINABAR. Well, Diane went and got us some and then we were like, raw hooked. But yeah guys, this is so good. We're gonna close off this vlog. Shout out to everyone. Make sure you like this vlog. Comment down below if you've seen these ice cream